The very core of the Google link revolution is something called PageRank. It's essentially a score given to every page on the web based on link popularity. That is, on the number and quality of links pointing to the page. And it's used by Google as one of the criteria that goes into ranking pages in search results. One might think of it as a sort of tiebreaker. Imagine two pages that Google believes are both really good matches for a particular search. There are hundreds of different characteristics Google looks at when assessing a page, but imagine a situation in which everything matches, except for PageRank. Which page will rank higher? The one with the highest PageRank, because it received more votes from the web community. So PageRank is an important measure of page value, but only one measure. Google is still assessing all sorts of other things, from keywords in title tags to the size of the page, to the keywords in the links pointing to the page, and lots more. So pages of lower PageRank often rank higher in the search results than pages with higher PageRanks in situations in which they're significantly better matches for the search query. PageRank is a measure of the value of web pages, not websites. Every page has its own value. The basic principle is this: Google looks at links coming from other web pages pointing to a particular page. It's interested in how many links and where those links come from. These images come from the original Google patent for PageRank, which was filed early in 1998. The term doesn't actually appear anywhere in this patent. Rather, the patent is called a method for node ranking in a linked database. This method later came to be called PageRank. The patent provides lots of complicated information, and if you want to know all the gory details, I'd suggest you read the patent, or at least the Wikipedia article about PageRank. It's complex, and only a tiny number of people in the SEO field really understand how it works. And no, I don't include myself in that number. But you really don't need to know the complicated details. All you really need to know is that Google has created this vast database of pages and links between them, and has devised a method for providing a PageRank number to every page, based on how many links point to the page and the PageRank of the linking page itself. There are just a few other things worth knowing. First, the more links pointing to a page, the higher the PageRank is going to be for that linked to page. However, not all links are equal. Links from high PageRank pages pass more PageRank than do links from lower PageRank pages. A link from CNN.com or the New York Times will pass more PageRank than Joe's family blog. But PageRank is shared among the links on the page, so a page with 100 outgoing links is dividing its vote among those 100 links. Each reference page is getting just 1/100th of the possible PageRank. So a link from a page with few outgoing links is more valuable than a link from a page with many. Also, it's worth knowing that PageRank is passed through all links, not just links from other sites to your site, but through links within your site. So a good site navigation system can help to spread PageRank among pages within your site. And when I talk of PageRank being passed on from one page to another, you should understand that the page passing PageRank isn't losing the PageRank. This is like one person passing the flu onto another person, not passing a baton. If you've got the flu, you don't lose it when you pass it on. The page passing the PageRank doesn't lose PageRank. It just votes for the page being linked to. However, the site loses PageRank. If you link to another website, then the vote is being passed on to that site rather than to another page within your own site. How do you know the PageRank of a particular page? Well, maybe you don't. Google publishes PageRank numbers, which you can see in the Google toolbar for Internet Explorer. Ironically, PageRank is not shown within Google's own browser, Chrome. If you point at the PageRank button in the Google toolbar, the PageRank message pops up. There are, however, various other tools that you can install into other browsers that will tell you PageRank. This one is working in Chrome. However, there are several important things to understand about these PageRank numbers. Firstly, the PageRank number that Google publishes is a number from 0 to 10. But PageRank is not really on a 0 to 10 scale. It's a logarithmic scale that runs into the millions. So the published number is really only an indicator of more or less where a PageRank lies on the logarithmic scale. It's not the true number. A page with a displayed PageRank of 6 does not have a true PageRank twice that of a page with a displayed rank of 3. In fact, the true PageRank may be hundreds or even thousands of times higher. This means that it's easier to get from the displayed PageRank of 1 to 2 than it is to get from 2 to 3, and far easier than going from 3 to 4. Perhaps more important though, these published PageRank numbers are currently way out of date. At the time I'm recording this lesson, published PageRank numbers are at least 18 months old, and there's some indication that Google may never update the information. Who knows? There does seem to be a bit of a debate within Google regarding the value of publishing this information. So, other companies have stepped in to fill the gap, as you'll see in the next lesson. I'll also explain why you may want to know a page's PageRank or equivalent.